What you see here is my son Liam on the left and I'm on the right. Here's the Air 3S. He's using a DJI Flip to record the Air 3S. What you'll notice is the drones moving around quite a bit, both of them were. This was a very windy day while we were out there. It was pretty cool weather, very sunny day, no clouds in the sky. And we just went out there to have a little bit of fun and learn. My son is learning how to back me up or provide a second set of eyes when I'm out there shooting. This was really a pretty day to be out there. As you can see, there's an excavator also putting in a trench. There is also a pad right next to it. That is a temporary pad that they will build some of the walls on. The wood framing that you can see there will become windows and door openings when the walls are tilted up. This is a 2-story tilt-up wall building, and we caught it right after the main pads have been laid, but before they have built the walls. The next step will be pouring the concrete inside these forms, allowing it to dry, and then they will tilt the walls up. This is a really good view there. What you can see are the window openings. Some of the longer pieces toward the middle are actually door openings. The exterior of the panel is facing straight down, and the doors and windows for the first floor are closer to the middle. As the panels are lifted, they slide out toward the perimeter and then are erected upright. On the Skytronic Drones YouTube channel, we have a full video of the tilt wall installation, crane assembly, and the panel lifts. I'll add a link to that. Right here we see one of the form panels being built. Once again, you get a really good view of the layout here. You can see all the windows, doors, large openings. Liam is using the DJI Flip to record me picking up the Air 3S and bringing it in. As you can see, he's getting more comfortable with moving the drone around, using the camera. Just takes practice and time. This is the Air 3S coming in for a landing. It's bringing itself in. I'm watching it on the controller in there as we talk about wrapping up for the day. Most of the DJI drones, just before they land, the camera flips up and looks straight ahead. So you get these pretty cool little landing pictures if you have the camera running. And then that's what we did, and this is wrapping up the end of our day and this video. Thank you for joining us.